Ever wondered what makes Java so popular? Well, you're about to find out. Born in the labs of Sun Microsystems in 1995, the brainchild of James Gosling, Java quickly became a cornerstone of the tech industry. It's a programming language that revolutionized how we approach coding, and it's been doing so for nearly 3 decades. One of the key reasons for Java's widespread acceptance is its object-oriented nature. Everything in Java is an object, allowing for easy extensibility based on the object model. But that's not all. Java also prides itself on being platform independent. This means that you can write your code once and run it anywhere, regardless of the platform. It's not compiled into a platform-specific machine, but rather into a platform-independent bytecode. Java is also designed with simplicity in mind. It's easy to learn, especially if you grasp the basic concept of object-oriented programming. Java's popularity lies in its unique features. But what exactly are these features? Let's dive in. Let's start with 2 key characteristics of Java. It's object-oriented and platform-independent. Firstly, Java is object-oriented, which means everything is an object. This structure allows Java to be easily extended. Think of it like a puzzle. Each piece or object can be added, removed, or replaced without affecting the entire puzzle. This flexibility is a powerful tool for developers, allowing them to create complex systems from simple, reusable objects. Next, let's talk about Java's independence. Unlike many programming languages, when Java is compiled, it doesn't become tied to a specific platform. Instead, it turns into platform-independent bytecode. What does this mean? Well, this bytecode can be distributed across the web and then interpreted by the Java virtual machine on any platform it's running on. It's like having a universal translator, converting the same set of instructions into different languages or platforms. These features make Java versatile and adaptable, but there's more to it. Java isn't just adaptable, it's also simple, secure, and architecture neutral. Known for its user-friendly design, Java is crafted to be easy to learn, making it an ideal choice for programming beginners and experts alike. It's not just about simplicity though. Java's secure features are a cornerstone of its design. These features allow the development of systems that are virus-free and tamper-free. It's like having a digital fortress, protecting your code from unwanted intrusions. Now let's talk about Java's architecture neutrality. Imagine being an artist who can use any canvas, no matter its size or material. That's how Java works. Its compiler generates an architecture-neutral object file format. This means the compiled code can run on many processors as long as there's a Java runtime system present. But Java's strengths don't end here. Let's look at some more. Java doesn't just run anywhere, it also runs well. It's robust, multi-threaded, and interpreted. Now what does that all mean? Well, let's break it down. Starting with robustness, Java strives to eliminate situations that are prone to errors. It does this through a strong emphasis on compile time error checking and runtime checking. This means that potential issues are identified and dealt with early, reducing the likelihood of encountering problems later on. Moving on to multi-threading, Java has the capability to perform many tasks at once. This is a huge advantage when building interactive applications, as it allows them to run smoothly and efficiently, even when juggling multiple tasks simultaneously. Lastly, Java is interpreted. This means that Java bytecode is translated on the fly into native machine instructions. This translation doesn't get stored anywhere, which results in a more rapid and analytical development process. The linking is incremental and lightweight, making Java an ideal choice for swift and effective programming. Impressive, right? But we're not done yet. Last but not least, let's talk about Java's performance, distribution, and dynamism. Performance is critical in the world of programming, and Java doesn't disappoint. It employs just-in-time compilers, which translate code into machine language right when it's needed, maximizing efficiency and speed. Now on to distribution. Java was designed with the internet in mind, making it perfect for the distributed environment of the web. It facilitates the creation of network-based applications, allowing data and programs to be dispersed efficiently across diverse networks. Finally, let's explore Java's dynamism. Unlike its counterparts, C and C++, Java is designed to adapt to an evolving environment. It carries extensive runtime information which can be used to verify and resolve accesses to objects as your program runs. This dynamic nature allows Java to handle changes and adjustments seamlessly. So there you have it. Java's popularity stems from its unique, powerful features. It's simple to learn, versatile, and built for the modern, internet-driven world.